Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2015 GMC 3500 H.I.D. Z71. Now the exterior color is black, and under the hood we have a 6.0 liter gasoline engine paired to an automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our H.I.D. projection styled headlamps, our LED daytime running lights, and a pair of fog lamps, as well as we have our front facing park sensors, our engine block heater, and our aftermarket grille with an aftermarket light bar. Over at the side we have our 20-inch aftermarket fuel rims wrapped in our all-terrain tires, as well as we have our aftermarket rock guarded fender flares, as well as we have our OEM running boards, our chrome mirror caps, and chrome door handles. We also have our BDS Fox suspension and an aftermarket lift kit. In the rear windows we have our privacy tinted windows, and on top we have our OEM sunroof. At the rear we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our trailer hitch and our 4 and 7 pin connection, as well as we have our aftermarket Metal Militia exhaust tip, as well as we have our steps inside our rear bumper, as well as our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera. Inside the box we have a spray-in bed liner, and at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with the power slide feature. At the interior we have tons of beautiful colors, as well as tons of door storage and driver friendly features, including power locks, power windows, power adjustable and foldable mirrors, as well as memory seating for the driver, as well as we have our signal indicator on our mirrors. Over at the steering column we have our automatic headlamp dial, our four-wheel drive engagement, our integrated trailer braking system, as well as we have our light bar button and our tilt steering wheel with our cruise control settings and pre-collision warning on the left, as well as we have our hands-free and entertainment and media controls. And as we look up we have our auto dim rearview mirror with Onstar, as well as we have our cabin lights and our garage door openers, as well as we have our beautiful OEM sunroof. And at our interior we have a nice premium leather with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. As we look ahead at our display cluster, you'll notice we have 76,045 kilometers on this GMC. And as we look ahead we have our touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, OnStar navigation, as well as many more great features. And down below we have our controls for our display, and underneath we have our dual climate control area, which includes an air conditioned and heated seat for both driver and passenger, as well as air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin. And down here we have our foot pedal adjustment switch, our traction control off, our cargo light, our parking sensors, our lane departure, and downhill descent. And just underneath we have our 3 USB ports, 2 12-volt adapters, and an AC outlet. And we have tons of cubby hold storage, dual cup holders, and our center console with more USB ports, and SD insert, and tons of storage underneath. And at the rear our beautiful interior continues with tons of door storage, as well as power windows for passengers, and more storage in the rear of the driver and in the rear of the passenger seat. And at the back of our center console we have 2 cubby hold storage with 12-volt adapter, and we have our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, which leaves us with tons of leg room and lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this stunning 3500 HD, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.